This is a quick video review of my experience with Amazon's Ustellar IP66 LED floodlights. This video will include a quick unboxing to show what you get in the package, my old setups, the newly installed setup, some before and after footage, my thoughts on the lights, and reviews from other customers. My next video will show how I install the lights, and I'll include a card here as well as a link in the description in case you want to see that. I installed a floodlight off my deck 7 or 8 years ago so my dog could see in the fenced-in area for late-night potty breaks. Initially, I had a regular 2-head halogen floodlight from Lowe's. Then about 3 or 4 years ago, I switched over to the Ustellar IP66 60-watt version floodlight off Amazon. My 60-watt version only lasted about 3.5 years, which some may say is not very long. But I did forget to turn it off most of the time, so to be honest, 3+ years until going out, I was satisfied with it. Enough to buy the same brand when replacing. Since I last purchased, they did discontinue the 60-watt version, and now it comes in an 80-watt version with a totally new design. Now for the unboxing, which is short and sweet because all that's included are the 2 lights. Now let's compare the old model versus the new model. A few key features are a sleeker front with a bulkier back, and I hope this bulkier back addresses the premature dying issue. The only but big negative, in my opinion, is the power cord is about half as long. This makes it hard to plug and play from the old setup, as I had to redo all the wiring. Then of course another difference is moving from 60 to 80 watts, as well as the $9 price difference. Now we'll take a look at the new lights installed and some before and afters. This is what the new light setup looks like, totally installed. I do have a few things to button up, but they are functional and working great. I need to finish running the conduit, which I hope to have done in time for the install video. Without these lights, this is what the fenced-in area looks like. As you can tell, the back porch light does not get down into the fenced yard area, so it's pitch black. But with the new lights, it basically looks like middle of the day on a Tuesday. Now for my thoughts on the lights and a few Amazon reviews. 75% of the people from Amazon did give these a 4 or 5 star review, which is what I would also give them. They are extremely bright, which is what I wanted, and at a good price compared to the big box stores. Here are the reviews and pictures from a few other satisfied customers. I thought this may be helpful and also thought it was interesting to see some people use these to create shop lights, so very interesting. I did gander through the 1 and 2 star reviews just to see what the biggest complaint out there was, and it seems to be that they failed prematurely. Some people saying that they failed in a couple years, some people say they failed in less than 1 year. So most of those bad reviews though did appear to be the 60-watt version. So like I mentioned earlier, I hope the new design addressed that. If mine fell early, I will create another video, so be sure to subscribe to see if I have any future issues. Again, thanks for stopping by and watching the video, and I hope all this helps. Please leave a comment below, and I will leave a link to these lights in the description, so be sure to check that out.